Customer delight is a very important aspect for every company. That's because a delighted customer brings in new customer. That fetches a new opportunity and more revenue for the company. Today I would like to let you know what customer delight means to us and how we make it our culture to ensure that the customer delight remains our foremost objective. We follow a four-phase approach to achieve this goal of customer delight. And the four phases are: understand the customer, solution engineering, deliver with quality, scalability, and maintainability. Let us take a glance at each of these phases to understand them better and then to understand the process. The first one, understand the customer. It's imperative to know your customer better in order to ensure they are more than satisfied. Even though we cater to similar customers with similar business requirements, the needs at the ground level have its own flavors. In order to address these needs, we conduct elaborate sessions with our customers to understand why, what, and when of every requirement to uncover all the details that are necessary for effective solution engineering. These sessions, personally to me, are very dear because this underpins the purpose of the solution that we are offering, and also we can take home wealth of knowledge which helps us analytically build our solution and in turn build a better product. The next phase is solution engineering. Once we know the customer and their needs, we dig into our knowledge base of previous implementations to match the similarities. We start by making reuse of the solutions that are very close to the current requirements. On top of available configuration, it always happens there are many or few needs of every customer that demands customization. And these customizations are taken care by our strong solution engineering team. The end result of solution engineering aspect is a solution that customer had in mind, which helps them deliver their projects better, where they can focus more on core project deliverables and the operation aspect is managed by the solution delivered. Let me talk a little bit about delivery and quality. We have a proven ACM process that helps us plan the projects effectively. Working backward from delivery, we ensure each and every milestone is met on or before the scheduled time. Our risk assessment and mitigation process always comes in handy in anticipating where Murphy's Law is going to be executed and helps us preventing it. Our project teams are trained to use the application as customers, and also they are embedded with culture similar to Henry Ford's line. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. The combination of automation and manual process ensures that the predictable and unpredictable scenarios are equally catered and taken care. Our ever-increasing knowledge base of test scenarios not only ensures quality of the product but also provide a better stat for upcoming projects. More importantly, our target is always zero defects. Last but not the least, maintainability and scalability. Most important aspect of solution delivery is to ensure the solution made for future, not just for today. We take special care while solutioning and configuring to make sure the delivered solution not only solves customer current problem, but is flexible enough to be scaled to address tomorrow's challenges. And that's where we stand out. Also, customers are empowered to make minor enhancement to the solution that cater to their immediate needs without depending on us. If I have to summarize, we collaborate more as a partner with customer right from getting to know them to making them independent with the delivered solution. Every project makes us better in terms of the knowledge and the experience. This is what makes us special and successful. Customer will be